Yamaha 135 LCFI, selling price RM7,800. Next. Benelli 150S, selling price RM5,000. Next. Royal Enfield Classic 350, selling price RM18,500. Next. Harley Davidson FXDR 114, selling price RM69,900. Next. Yamaha X-Max 250, selling price RM18,500. Next. Honda CB250R, selling price RM9,000. Bye!